Thank you, Dr. Fernandez, for the wonderful presentation. We saw that the regulatory and scientific burden on weight loss trial designs and conduct is heavier than in other categories, and how unsubstantiated claims might lead to regulatory roadblocks during marketing. The success of these clinical trials depend on the right choice of the population, endpoint, comparators, as well as on-time recruitment of participants. Intra-abdominal fat often drives the progression of metabolic risk factors. Magnetic resonance imaging allows quantification of volume and mass of different body compartments. These can include the ectopic visceral, intra-abdominal fat distributed around the organs, within the peritoneal cavity, and the retroperitoneal fat around the kidney. Coupling the usage of such high-end techniques with the measurement of novel biomarkers underlying the biological cascade of obesity may give important insight in the pathology of obesity and related etiology. Apart from this, obesity is significantly associated with reduced diversity of the gut microbiota, which in turn reduces metabolic energy consumption in comparison with that of a lean person. 16S rRNA gene sequencing is one such technique which has emerged as an important tool for identification and quantification of microbes. In recent times, several other novel biomarkers that may provide additional insight into physiology associated with obesity and obesity-related complications have emerged. Neutrophil lymphocyte ratio has been gaining recognition as a novel, non-invasive biomarker to determine the low-grade inflammation associated with obesity. All these advancements in diagnostic tools and the resulting extensive knowledge may provide direction in defining the future of obesity-related studies. As mentioned by our clinical trial expert, Dr. Fernandez, tools such as electronic diary and pedometer help monitor and improve compliance in such challenging studies. Speed of volunteer recruitment is critical for any clinical trial, as delayed recruitment can lead not only to monetary loss, but also for loss of opportunity for the product owner. Placebo response can be sometimes high in weight loss studies and must be thus controlled with increased vigilance. India has recently emerged as a clinical trial hub for weight loss studies, thanks to the growing urban population with an unhealthy diet and lifestyle. Indian sites not only offer faster enrollment rates, but also high level of compliance and data quality. Lastly, it is important to remain cognizant of regulatory guidelines of the intended market, as during our several studies that we at Vedic Life Sciences have performed, we have seen the product owners would like to remain compliant to the own specific regulatory guidelines. Thank you so much for your valuable time. The video series was presented to you by Vedic Life Sciences, a world leader in clinical trial in nutraceuticals. We at Vedic Sciences would be happy to further engage with you. Please feel free to talk to us or write to us, or even you can visit our website. Thank you so much once again. See you soon.